Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to level area if it's sloping over the 1.5 inch, and there is a very good example. I just finished this job 1 week ago. So for this leveling you need to use right tools. Here is the 4D laser level where we have bottom laser line less than 6 millimeters from the ground floor. It's very easy to find high and low spot and show you how to set up tripods. Tripods is really important, you know, for this leveling. With straight edge you can do it. All these tools you can find in description for this video. Let's go to start. Basement I'm going to level today. So this is the, you see, high spot. You see this line? It shows the high spot. And then you see how it's going down. Two fingers. See? Also I forgot to tell you, here was floor was painted and with gray paint, and also when painters prepare the walls, now it's nice. So much matte and another material. That's why I spent around 3 hours to grind it off. And now put primer. Primer, it's really important. I put L primer, and also I put foam. You see, I put foam and put silicone on the bottom to avoid any leaks. So sometimes if you think like it's a basement and you don't need to protect gaps, you know, or cracks, you have to do it, because sometimes this crack going so much deep and you can lose 1-2 bags of leveling compound easily. You know, better put foam and protect it. And you see there is a big hole, and I just put expansion foam. Also that room I already set up tripods right here. So this is very narrow place and very hard to work, because we have here washer and dryer. So that's why I will block this side and level everything here today, and then tomorrow we will move washer and dryer and put everything here, and I level this area. You see, this is the plan. Very easy step to do it. Just fill up to the bottom plate self-leveling compound. You see, I took the tripod off and then I roll it out all this area. Just repeat the steps and you will be successful. Here is I already fill up this area. I spent 31 bags and I roll it out. The deepest spot I smash it with roller, because you know spikes doesn't allow to do it if it's more than inch deep. So you remember here there was 2 fingers. I measured 2 fingers. It's over the 1.5 inch. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.